He plans to take his own life, but when he tries to do it, he discovers the gun is out of bullets. He gets angry with Kate, but a glimmer of hope arises. His phone begins to receive messages, and he discovers they are from his wife. She reveals that she received his message and says she is very scared. She asks him to stop blaming himself for everything, tells him how much she loves him, and that his family needs him right now. Mark, now with renewed hope, decides to try to escape again. He sets off the alarm on his phone to attract the creatures and places it on Kate's leg. Soon the creature appears and drags Kate's body into the hole.